everybody, welcome to my cheesecake video. We made this as a family, so I want to tell you how to make it so you remember. First we get 4 eggs, we get butter, lots of other stuff. I made a menu so we know what, like a recipe, and then first we put butter. I'm in fashion style as you see. And then you put the sugar. And then we blend it up in a blender. It goes really fast. When I was mixing my own up, I was making really fast as the blender. Then we scrape it off the blender so it goes more faster. And then I'm dancing, you see. And then clean the drum. Then we check mark stuff. Then we pour it in the bowl. And then we make sure we get all of it. Put some flour. And then put some sugar. Stir it up like the blender. Stir it up like the blender that you see, and then make sure you get some more, and then crack the 4 eggs. Well, crack the eggs, then you crack another egg. Only do 3, and then separate it. So separate it like that. Then put some eggs. Now put one at a time eggs into the blender, one at a time. And put the last one in, and then you put some vanilla. You pour it in a little scooper, and then you check mark something, then you do a heart, and then you put it in the pan so it's in a good shape when you take it out. Pour it, and you put it in the oven. You need a grown-up to help you that. And look, it's a cheesecake now. Now we're gonna try to taste this, so let's scoop it. So now, thank you for coming to my video. It's really nice. Have fun making your cheesecake together. Bye. It's vanilla-y, and it looks like a cake, because it is. And it's cheesy, because it's cream cheese. And it looks like cheese, because it's a triangle. Thanks for coming here, and I'll see you at the next video. And the next video will be soup, ramen soup. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.